overview video in math for the week of April 19th through the 23rd. So very similar to last week, we're going to follow the same structure. You have one of those independent practice pages. So I believe this starts with day 10. You'll see at the top of the page. So these are one per page, so hopefully they are easy for you guys to print and they don't turn out blurry. We're going to meet at 2 o'clock to go over these problems. And that's going to follow the same way each day, Monday through Thursday. You can see Tuesday, now Wednesday, very similar. So we're keeping a very, very predictable, very similar structure throughout the week. And then on Friday, we will not be meeting Friday afternoon. You do have a graded classwork review. This is going to go over some of these concepts that we've practiced, some stuff that we practiced the week prior, but this will be a classwork grade. There are 9 questions. Please take your time. Remember, excuse me, that you have to get each part of this question correct in order to earn credit for the question. So very similar to the way that they are graded on the FSA. If there is more than one correct answer, you have to get both answers correct to earn credit for that question. That's your week in math this week. Let me know if you guys have any questions.